Hello friends, welcome back to Python series. In this video, I am going to explain about list method in Python. Python has number of built-in methods which you can use on lists. I am going to explain these methods one by one. First Python list method is append. Append method appends means add an item or element at the end of the list. Syntax of append method is list.append and the item name. You can see in Python ID, Java program is added in the programming language list by using append method. Next Python list method is clear. Clear method removes all the item from a list. Syntax for clear method is list.clear. You can see in Python ID, I have created a list of programming language. Here list name is programming language and the method is clear. So programming language dot clear. You can see list is empty after applying clear method. Next Python list method is copy. Copy method returns a copy of a specified list. Syntax of copy method is list.copy. You can see in Python ID, I have created a variable x to copy list of programming language in it. Next one is count. Count method returns the number of items with specified value in list. Syntax of count method is list.count and the value. You can see in Python ID, I have created a list of programming language as well as a list of numbers. X and Y variable are used to store count. Next one is extend method. Extend method adds the specified list of items or any iterable like list, set, tuple, etc. to the end of the current list. Syntax of extend method is list.extend iterable. You can see in Python ID, list is extend by adding tuple on it. Next Python list method is index. Index method returns the position at the first occurrence of the item. Syntax of index method is list.index and the item name. You can see in result, the index of JavaScript is 2 in the programming language list and the index of 5 is 3. In Python programming language, index starts from 0. Therefore, the index of JavaScript is 2 and the index of number 5 is 3. Next method is insert method. Insert method is used to add an item at a specific position. Syntax of insert method is list.insert, position and item name. You can see in Python ID, here I have added HTML in position 1 in the programming language list. Next Python list method is pop method. Pop method is used to delete an item at a specific position. Syntax of pop method is list.pop and the position. You can see in Python ID, I have deleted an item in index 2, which is JavaScript. Next Python list method is remove. Remove method is used to delete an item with specified value. Syntax for remove method is list.remove and the item name. You can see in Python ID, Python is removed from programming language list. Next one is reverse method. Reverse method is used to reverse the sorting order of the item. Syntax of reverse method is list.reverse. You can see in Python ID, list item after reverse start from C++. Last Python list method is sort. Sort method is used to sort the list item in the ascending order by default. Syntax of sort method is list.sort, reverse equal to true or false. You can see in Python ID, I have created a list of alphabet. After using sort method, list items are arranged in ascending order. Here you can see that when reverse is true, the items are arranged in descending order. And when reverse is false, The items are arranged in ascending order. Thanks for watching video. Hit bell icon to get new video.